What's up guys, Super Geek here. Today we're going to talk about the Nothing Phone 1. The smartphone is getting a lot of hype recently, and it's all because of its really unique and awesome design that the brand has brought up to the market. The only thing that is bugging everyone is the choice of the chipset. The smartphone comes with Snapdragon 778 Plus. It's a 5G chipset, but it's not the best choice that they would have gone with at sub 40k price range. But there are some really awesome features in the smartphone that can easily justify that sub 40k price range, and today I'm going to talk about all of these. So today I'm going to talk about 10 awesome features of Nothing Phone 1 that you're not going to get on any other smartphone at about the same price range. So starting from, of course, the aesthetics, it comes with transparent back, which looks really awesome, and it comes with some really nice aesthetics underneath, and it looks really awesome. Now the only thing that bugs me, and maybe bugging everyone new out there, is when I think of transparent design on a smartphone, I think about those really awesome design from Jerry Everything, which shows the electronics of the smartphone from that back panel, but that's not the case here, and that is the only thing that really bugs me. I thought they should have went with that design, but the design that they are providing still is really awesome. It looks really good, looks really unique, and this is one of the only smartphone that like went with this kind of design. Now moving on to the second feature is the glyph lights. Well, call them whatever, they are the notification lights, but the placement of these notification lights at the back of the phone is really unique and never done before. So it looks really awesome, and it's going to give you some notifications, some different information about the smartphone when you place your phone face down on your desk. Now this brings me to the third feature of the smartphone, is the soft flash feature. Well, these glyph lights are really bright and placed really nicely at the back of the phone, and it can easily be used as soft flash for your rear cameras of the smartphone. So there are some situations where you want to use the flash of the phone, but when you use it, you get some really nasty shadows on the photos, which looks really bad, and this can easily be solved using these glyph lights. You can use these as soft flash for the rear camera, and it can get rid of those nasty sharp shadows to some extent. To be very honest, it cannot give you the full intensity of the real flash of the phone, but it can give you some really nice photos if you use it as a soft flash. Now moving on, these glyph lights can be used as notification light. Of course, that is the main purpose of these glyph lights. So it can give you different notifications when your phone is on silent and you put it face down on desk. It can show you that you're getting calls, it can show you notifications, and it can also show you the status when the reverse wireless charging is working. So it's a really nice placement for notification lights. And for all those who have this habit of placing phone face down on your desk, this feature is going to help you a lot. Now this brings me to the fifth feature of the smartphone, which is again related to these glyph lights, and that is the battery percentage indicator. So these glyph lights can also be used as battery percentage indicator when your phone is on charging. So you don't have to wake up your phone every time to check the battery status when your phone is on charging. So moving on to the sixth feature of the smartphone, which is the display. So the smartphone comes with 6.5 inches FHD Plus display with 120 Hz refresh rate. It's an OLED panel, but this is not the unique feature of this display. The unique feature is, of course, the chinless design that they're providing in this display. And this is really unique, because at this price range no other smartphone is going to provide you this chinless design on the display and this uniform bezel around the display. This kind of chinless design is only available in flagship smartphones from Samsung, from iPhones and all those flagship smartphones that are way beyond this sub 40K price range. So that's a really unique design. Now moving on to the seventh feature of the smartphone is of course its metal design. The smartphone comes with metal frame and it looks really awesome. And of course it's going to give you some really awesome premium feel. And about 40K price range, no other smartphone is going to provide you this really awesome and premium looking metal frame with this kind of design. Now moving on to the eighth feature, which is like really awesome. This feature can only be provided in the flagship smartphone. Even some flagship smartphone does not have this feature. The smartphone comes with wireless charging and reverse wireless charging as well, which is like really awesome. No other smartphone at under 40K price range is going to provide you wireless charging, let alone the reverse wireless charging. So that's a really unique feature that you're getting on this one. So if you are a fan of wireless charging, this phone is going to give you the best experience for your money. Now moving on to the ninth feature, the smartphone comes with up to 12 gigs of RAM and up to 256 gigs of UFS 3.1 storage. So this feature may be available in some other smartphones as well, but Nothing Phone 1 is one of the only few smartphones that is providing this kind of RAM and storage option at sub 40K price range. Now moving on to the 10th feature of the smartphone, which is the face unlock. Now I know what you may be thinking is this feature is already available everywhere, it's mainstream, and it can easily be provided in sub 10,000 price range smartphone. But according to the brand's claim, this face unlock works with face coverings as well. So this face unlock can easily recognize you even with your face mask if you're wearing it, and which is a really nice feature. I don't think any other Android smartphone has this feature. Even in iPhones, only the very top models have this feature, which can let you unlock your phone with the face mask on. So that's a really nice thing. So that concludes the video. These are the 10 features of Nothing Phone 1 that you're not going to get on any other smartphone at the same price range. So that's it for today guys. Hope you liked the video. Hit the like button, get subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one.